Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and we've got a great product for the homeowner, the camper, just about anybody that needs a pruning saw. This is the product. It's from Flora Guard, and it's called a folding pruning saw. And this is it. It's nicely made, and it's got a nice ergonomic handle here, a lock right here to keep you from accidentally opening. You press down here and open up, and then it locks right behind this. To unlock it and close it back up, you go down like that. So let's look at the blade. First, the blade is 8 inches of sawing area, and the handle is 9 inches. So you get a good amount of control over the saw and leverage with that nice handle, that's nice soft grip. So you could really put some pressure and not hurt your hand so bad if it were hard. It's very soft rubber, you can feel it. These blades are very, very sharp. Just to touch them, you can feel how sharp they are. And they're, I have information about the various specifications of the saw up above, so read those as you go along, but I'll just show you there's 3 separate cuts in there which give it a great sawing arrangement. So we're going to do a demonstration in a moment. It also has a place you could put a lanyard here. If you're camping and you want to fold this up and carry it on, and you're going to backpack or something, this may come in handy for a lot of things, for campers for sure, or hikers, to have a tool that will allow you to cut up to a 5-inch branch. We're going to go out and do a demonstration in just a little bit. Great for gardeners. You want to trim some branches, you don't want to pull out a chainsaw or something. Grab this out of your lawn tools and go to town. All right, let's go out to the front area where I have set up a log, and we're going to do a little cutting. This is a 4-inch log. Let's try it out. I'm going to cut it right down across there, and I press the unlock till it snaps. Now I'm going to pop it right along here, and you can feel it cutting. Oh, it cuts nice. And it doesn't bind, it actually really has the power. And look at that, just as clean as it can be. That really does it. Still feels just as sharp on the edge. Folks, this Flora Guard pruning saw is more than just for pruning. You can go camping and cut firewood if you need to, or just keep it handy even in the back of the truck for those times where you need something to saw a branch off, or around the home for pruning trees. So I want to thank you very much for watching my video. We'll close her up.